Greetings from Raya Island in Thailand, and this is the first of the 3 beaches that I'm going to visit on this island, and this is Ter Bay. Quite small bay, sandy also as well, and I see right here that there is a warning and it says rip currents and a red flag. However, I think that is mostly for this part of the beaches. From the other side, it looks quite nice for a swim. I'm gonna go anyway for a quick swim. It seems there is nobody, not so many people on the beach. It's only very few because this is on the other side of the main part of Patok Bay that I have arrived actually with the boat tour, around 400 meters in that direction. And to be fair, the way here it looks very strange. There was even a swamp where we saw crocodile, and there are other animals as well. And this is an island also in Thailand and close to Phuket, to the Chalong Pier. Now this is the last stop for today, this island, but here we're gonna spend 3 hours actually, of which half an hour also was spent in lunch. That was good. Let's see if I'm gonna throw up again like I did on the last boat tour, but I eat very moderately and no Indian food today, so let's see if that will do the trick. The food was nice here. I think it was nicer than on the previous tour. And yes, 25th of December, Christmas Day it is. This bay over here is facing east, that's why we have a nice sun towards the sea. Earlier today I visited Maitong Island, actually snorkeling around the island, and then Coral Island, which was amazing. Now it's time to explore Raya Island. This is Ter Bay, then I'm gonna go to Siam Bay and then end up at Patok Bay. 3 different beaches and days on this Raya Island. Let's then get going to the swim. Oh, it looks very much inviting indeed. It looks very scenic. Despite being empty, I really like this type of wild beaches. There are some, you can also do some scuba diving here as well. And obviously you can snorkel as well. Very beautiful. Raya Island, this is. Look at that. It looks amazing. So yes, Raya Island, Ter Bay, more exactly this is. Absolutely stunning. And now after lunch, it's time for a swim, which is not really advisable, but I have now 2 hours left actually, as we depart to Phuket at 4:30. So, ready, set, and go! Amazing. So nice and beautiful. It's brilliant. Wow. Well, it is currently 2:30 p.m. and it's quite a nice place to explore on Christmas Day, I cannot lie. And escape the cold weather in my home country, Sweden. Actually, the country where I live in, to be more specific. Alright, so Ter Bay, that is. And now I'm gonna head to explore the 2 more popular beaches here on this island, Siam Bay and Patok Bay, or beach, or instead of bay in the name. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Raya Island and Ter Bay, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.